What is the value of the expression 8 squared minus 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses, then multiplied by 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses again? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is very deceptive and 80% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go through the step by step and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, many people usually go straight to the exponent and write the whole expression in the following form. 64 minus 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses, then multiply by 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses again. Then they go to the first parenthesis and instead of this expression, they write 64 minus 2 multiplied by 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the subtraction between 64 and 2, which I have highlighted in yellow. And instead of this expression, they write 62 times 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they simplify the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 62 multiplied by 2, which gives them the answer 124. And immediately, they say that the correct answer to this question is option D. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let's solve this question step by step correctly. As you can see in the image and this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, and after that parenthesis, followed by a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. To solve this question, we must strictly follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations in this expression exactly according to the PEMDAS rule in order from top to bottom. So, we must start with the parentheses first, because according to the PEMDAS rule, parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. Okay, instead of this expression, we can write 8 squared minus 2 multiplied by 2. And the next step, we need to go to the exponent, because in the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has the highest priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 64 minus 2 then times 2. And the final step, it's time for the multiplication between the twos, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we write this expression as 64 minus 4, which ultimately gives us the answer 60. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.